We are not doing the maiden voyage of the Hyper MTX. You've probably already seen the video. If not, go back and check it out, because I will push this as soon as I get this done. But this is not my regular grounds. I brought the ramp, brought everything. The wife wanted to go to the beach today, but I figured here's a good place to run the Lasernut. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. That's right, the Lasernut. I have not run this thing in forever. I think I've run this thing like once, maybe twice. I think that's been about it. I will say one thing, man, this car definitely can use AVC. It is a handful. And really, for the price this thing was, shame on Horizon for not adding it. I mean, I know some people are like, oh, I don't need no, and like I've mentioned before, it doesn't matter. Even if you don't want to use it, some people like myself would want to. But look at the price difference between the receivers. Why would you not at least want to have the capability, have the better receiver put in here? Well, I hope this ain't gonna be a mistake running through the sand, but I figured this would be a really good car for this type of environment. Sandy, kind of rough soil. Man, look at that suspension just... Oh no! Hey, self-recovery mode, all right. Oh man, it seems to like to roll pretty easy though. I don't remember that on my my review video. This thing has anti-sway bars too. Still a cool car. It's damn expensive though. Let's see here. What's going on? Why is this thing kind of so all over the place? Really just, yeah, it's got anti-sway bars. Just really feel like it needs a AVC, but that's not going to help it, like when it turns like that, want to forgot kind of how large this thing was. You know, it's turning around watching everybody's putting out smaller and smaller cars. The thing is, like these little Groms, and now supposedly there's gonna be like a mini X-Max, which I guess is gonna be larger than a Grom. They're not gonna really run through stuff like this. They're just too low, don't have the power. So, you know, like I said, it all depends on where you're gonna run, what you want to do. Woo! I thought I was gonna hit that 4x4 that was there. Yeah, I really. Today is the day I was supposed to do my maiden voyage of that Habao. So I figured I'd bring it here. Maybe it would look cool to do like a different area to unbox or do that maiden drive, but I just really don't even have any place I could speed run. I don't know if it'll get up to speed in this short of a distance. I don't know, maybe it will. Maybe it will. Well, look at this. Looks like some. I think this is really a good car to bring out here for this. Woo! Tell you, this thing is squirrely. Let's see, it's 95 degrees outside, so while we're running 183 on the ESC there. Oh yeah, the batteries are down to 20%. This thing just does eat through batteries fairly quick. Let me see if there's any place else epic to kind of run through here. Yeah, guys, I just I wanted to kind of, I figure I was coming someplace new scenery, new all that. Bring a car out here, much to the wife's delight, but she did tell me bring an RC car or something like that and have fun. I was actually wanting to bring the legendary Sonic, bring it back here for a redemption run after the ocean grabbed it last time, but it turned out the ESC I ordered was wrong. I spent all night long trying to get that thing back running, or I got it all back together and the ESC was wrong. I don't even know how I missed it. Like, the one I have is 3 big holes for the motor to plug into, and the thing I ordered has nothing but like those little JST type plug or whatever you call them. So this thing's got too much. I think I need to thin the center diff, because it seems like there's just too much power going to the front or to the rear. It's just nothing's going up front. Yeah. Might check the even see if the diff's got the proper fluid. I had the same problem with the Max Slash, although I didn't realize it, but I mean, it was plowing through turns like that. My thing, it did wheelie, but barely. This thing's probably never gonna wheelie. I don't care if you earplug it. But yeah, it's just, oh, there it goes, low voltage. But yeah, I think I need to look at maybe thin that center diff. because it's just all the power is going to the rear, nothing's going to the front. So if you don't know, like usually if it's too thin, all the power goes to the front and your front tires are ballooning, so you thicken it up to try to push some to the back. But if it's too thin, then it's pushing power to the rear. I guess it seems weird, but yeah. But hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed. I really don't want to run on the beach. We have a very, very fine sand here. Even though I know I was running it here, but there's a little bit more grass absorbing it. Plus, I don't want to be annoying to the beachgoers here, but yeah, so I hope you enjoyed a little beach run here, the Super Lasernut. Go ahead, subscribe, join us for some RC vehicle adventures. We got all kinds of stuff popping up here. Got you some discount codes down below and all that fun stuff. All right, everyone, the Lasernut here at the beach. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks for the support. Appreciate it. Like, shares, comments, appreciated. Till next time, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.